In the heart of the Hundred Acre Wood lived a cheerful bear named Winnie-the-Pooh. Pooh was known for his love of honey and his endless curiosity. One sunny morning, Pooh woke up with a tummy that rumbled louder than Tigger's pounce. "Oh dear," said Pooh, patting his belly, "I must find some honey at once." Pooh wandered through the forest until he stumbled upon a tall tree with a beehive nestled high among its branches. His eyes twinkled with delight. "Honey," he exclaimed, thinking of the golden treat. Pooh knew climbing the tree wasn't easy, especially with his round belly. But the thought of sweet honey gave him courage. He stretched his arms and began to climb. Higher and higher, Pooh reached, but as he neared the beehive, a branch snapped. Down fell Pooh, landing on a soft bush. He sat up and scratched his head. "Think, Pooh murmured, trying to come up with a new plan. Just then, Piglet trotted by. "Hello, Pooh Bear. What are you doing in that bush?" Pooh explained his honey dilemma, and Piglet, ever so thoughtful, said, "Maybe our friends can help." Together they set off to find their friends. They first met Eeyore, who, although usually gloomy, agreed to help by offering his tail as a ladder. Next, they found Rabbit, who had a clever idea to build a tower of pots. Tigger bounced over in excitement, ready to try any adventurous plan, and Kanga brought Roo along for extra cheer. With everyone gathered, they set their plan in motion. They stacked pots and tails, and with a lot of effort and a little bit of bouncing, Pooh finally reached the beehive. But just as he was about to grab some honey, the bees buzzed angrily. "Oh bother," said Pooh, hanging from the hive. Roo had a bright idea. He called up, "Mr. Owl, can you ask the bees nicely for some honey?" Owl, with his wise ways, fluttered up and conversed with the bees. A few minutes later, he returned. "The bees have agreed to share, but only if Pooh promises to plant flowers for them," Owl explained. Pooh nodded eagerly, "Of course." And so, Pooh got his honey, the bees got their flowers, and everyone in the Hundred Acre Wood celebrated with a grand picnic. Pooh's adventure taught them all that friends and a bit of thinking can solve any problem.